heavenly Malai Roll, taste of bliss. Heavenly Malai Roll, taste of bliss.
First, you have to make thick milk for Malai Roll. 2 cups of liquid milk. 1 cup powdered milk. Milk should be thickened by mixing sugar as desired. Then for making the cream filling of the Malai Roll. 1 cup of liquid milk. 2 cups of powdered milk. Add sugar to taste and saffron for color. When the filling becomes thick, take it off the stove. Milk should be thickened by mixing sugar as desired. Now for prepared the Malai Roll, thickened milk, and creamed in this way. Mixed almonds chopped. Cut the bread and make a roll with cream filling. Finally, the roll should be kept in the fridge for 2 hours. Mixed thickened milk.
Taste of bliss. Heavenly Malai Roll, taste of bliss.
Now we'll enjoy.
Heavenly Malai